Remedies to remove black spots on face completely. Want to get rid of those annoying black spots on your face completely? Try these effective home remedies to disappear black spots from your face and get a clear complexion naturally. These black spots are caused due to hereditary factors, overexposure to sun rays, free radical damage and hormone levels spike. Whatever may be the reasons, these remedies are powerful enough to eliminate black spots from your face and restore glowing, spotless complexion. Make sure to use these remedies on a regular basis and be patient. It may take a few weeks to show results. Here are the top home remedies to remove black spots on face completely. 1. Cabbage juice. Raw cabbage juice is one of the best treatment for black spots. It's a good source of vitamin C, K and B6 that aid in fading of black spots, scars and hyperpigmentation. Here is an instant remedy to remove black spots on face quickly. Just place 1/4 cup of shredded cabbage and 2 tablespoons lemon juice in the blender and blend it up until it is in puree form. Do not add any water. Use in the purest form. Wipe your face with lukewarm water and then using a Q-tip gently dab the juice on the affected area. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse. Repeat this 3 times a day for a week or more till the black spots go away. 2. Cauliflower juice. Cauliflower is another great ingredient to remove black spots on face completely. It has similar nutritional profile as that of cabbage. It holds antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help you to get rid of black spots and other stubborn dark spots. Add few cauliflower florets into the blender and blend until smooth. You can use a cotton swab or a cotton ball to apply the juice on the black spots. This juice needs to be applied on a daily basis for about 2 times in a day for 2 weeks to get the desired result. You can also boil 4 to 5 cabbage florets to a glass of water and wipe your skin with it. Do this 3 times in a day. 3. Aloe vera gel. Fresh aloe vera gel contains various soothing and rejuvenating properties, making it ideal for removal of black spots. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. Take 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera gel, mix with a teaspoon of honey and massage on your skin for 5 minutes. Apply a little more and leave for another 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Repeat for 2 times in a day for 2 weeks. It leaves the skin smooth, blemish-free and lightens black spots on your face. 4. Pure baking soda. A cheap and useful remedy to erase black spots on your face. The antiseptic and mild abrasive properties of baking soda helps in eliminating black spots and other persistent spots. Mix equal parts of baking soda with warm water and then using a cotton swab apply on the black spots. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash off. Repeat for 2 times in a day for 2 weeks to remove black spots completely. 5. Garlic juice. One of the effective natural methods to remove black spots on face is applying fresh garlic paste. Crush 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves to release juices. Wet a small towel with warm water and pat on the face. Using a cotton swab apply the fresh garlic paste on the black spots and leave for 10 minutes. Garlic may cause mild irritation, so if you feel uncomfortable then stop using it immediately. 6. Cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar ACV can be used as a natural skin toner to remove black spots and dark spots. Take 1/4 cup of warm water and dissolve a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into it. Soak a cotton ball in this ACV water and wipe your face. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. Repeat for 2 times in a day for 2 to 3 weeks. Alternatively, you can dab undiluted ACV directly on the spots using a Q-tip and then wash it off after 20 minutes. 7. Pineapple juice. Another method of naturally removing black spots is pineapple juice. Blend 2 slices of pineapple to a smooth puree form. Using a cotton ball, apply the pineapple juice on the affected area. Rinse off after 20 minutes. Pineapple contains mild bleaching and astringent properties that help effectively reduce black spots and acne scarring. If used on a regular basis, it lightens skin tone. Use it once in a day for 2 weeks. 8. Green tea bag. Green tea is not only a wonderful weight loss healthy beverage, but is also a great cure for black spots and hyperpigmentation. Steep green tea bag in a cup of warm water for 30 seconds and then place on the dark spots. You can use the same green tea bag for 4 to 5 times. 9. Lemon oil. Disappear black spots and other imperfections with lemon oil. Daily massage 2 to 3 drops of lemon oil on the black spots for 3 times in a day for 2 weeks to get best results. Lemon oil contains numerous phytochemicals and citric acid that fades away black spots and hyperpigmentation and reveals spotless skin.